Okay, just unclip that. This is how you take a fan out.
Alright. So, go.
It's his first time doing it, so it's a little difficult when you're first time doing it.
Yeah, when you're a pro, you can do
Yeah.
this real quick, like I am.
It's a little tougher when you have lady hands, so just to let you guys know that.
Alright, let's just cut this wires out.
That's what it looks like inside.
Where's mine? Where's the white clip?
Hmm.
Are those mine?
No.
Sure about that, sir?
So you just snip the plug off. He's just a little nervous, so this is why he's taking longer. But it's really fast if I'm doing it. I feel like you're being watched.
Yeah. This is weird, man.
Doing a pretty good job.
No, dude, I'm a pro at this. Look at that. It's gonna be up in there
So this
working.
video is going to be for the tenants, so we don't have to come here no more. We just give them the motor.
Keeping the motive.
Yep.
Oh, wrong fan, dude.
Second time. So now it goes in there. What's this? So many hits we get. Just gonna put a couple screws in. Yep.
Make sure you don't tie the first one yet.
He is a Tech 3, but I don't know how he got there, but I think he faked it till he makes it. I don't know. Just push that down. This is how you change the fan, a GE refrigerator. Simple as that. Put the cover back on. Pretty simple. Around. Plug your fan. If it doesn't reach, you know, you cut the wire too long. Too short. Too short. Okay. And that's what the inside looks like. This is going on gasket. Nice quiet fan now. Okay. So we show them the ice maker how it goes back, or we done?
Just pull the screws on.
Okay.
Ice maker in. Right here. Put it on, make sure it works. Wipe it down. Sure looks nice and clean.
Alright, that's the end of the video. Good job.